Hello students, today we will work out some of the problems of the lesson electricity. When a system of resistors are joined in series or connected in series, the resistance of the combination RS is equal to the sum of their individual resistances, that is RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now we will worked example 12.7. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to a 6 volt battery. Calculate A. The total resistance of the circuit. B. The current through the circuit. And C. The potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. Look at the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, conductor of resistance 4 ohm and an electric bulb of resistance 20 ohm. They are connected end to end. They are connected in series to a 6 volt battery. Now let us write the solution of this example. Resistance of the electric lamp, you represent it by R1 because two resistors, electric lamp and conductor, are connected. R1 is equal to 20 ohm. Resistance of the conductor R2 is equal to 4 ohm. Calculate the total resistance in the circuit. Total resistance is the sum of the resistance of the two resistors. R is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 is 20 ohm. Substitute this value in this equation. Plus R2 is 4 ohm. 20 ohm plus 4 ohm is equal to 24 ohm. This is the total resistance in the circuit. Now let us go to the B part. It is given to calculate the current through the circuit. Before calculating the current, write potential difference. It is given. These two devices are connected to a 6 volt battery. So write potential difference. Potential difference is represented by the letter V. V is equal to, they are connected to a 6 volt battery. 6 volt. Apply Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, potential difference is directly proportional to the current. V is equal to IR. Very important relation. Now substitute the values. V is given, it is 6 volt. I is not given, I into R, resistance, total resistance is 24 ohm. So I is equal to 6 divided by 24. Divide 6 ones are 6 fours are is equal to 1 by 4 is, it is 0.25 ampere. The current through the circuit is 0.25 ampere. C part of the question, calculate the potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. First calculate the potential difference across the electric lamp. The resistance of the electric lamp is given. It is R1 is equal to 20 ohm. The current flowing through the circuit is I is equal to, it is 0.25 ampere. Use Ohm's law. It is V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. So write it as, this is the potential difference of the first device. It is V1. Write here resistance of the first device R1 is equal to, I is 0.25 ampere. R1, the resistance of the electric lamp is 20 ohm. Now simplify. 25 2s are 50. So here 2 digits after the decimal point, it is 5 volt. Potential difference across the electric lamp is 5 volt. Now calculate the potential difference across the conductor. Potential difference across the conductor. The resistance of the conductor is 4 ohm. R2 is equal to 4 ohm. The current through the circuit is 0.25 ampere. Again apply Ohm's law. V2, second device, V2 is equal to IR2. I is 0.25 ampere into resistance of the conductor is 4 ohm is equal to 25 4s are 100. So it is 1 volt. When a system of resistors are connected in parallel, then the total resistance is calculated using the formula 1 by Rp. Resistors are connected in parallel is equal to 1 by R1 resistance of the first resistor plus 1 by R2 resistance of the second resistor plus 1 by R3 resistance of the third resistor. Example 12.8. Look at this circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, resistors R1, R2 and R3, their resistance is 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 30 ohm. They are connected to a 12 volt battery. Calculate A. The current through each resistor. Current through R1 and R2 and R3. B. The total current in the circuit. C. Total circuit resistance. Now we will write the solution. R1 is equal to, it is 5 ohm. R2 is equal to 10 ohm. R3 is equal to 30 ohm. They are connected to a 12 volt battery. 12 volt battery, it is the potential difference. Potential difference V is equal to, potential difference is represented by the letter V. V is equal to 12 volt. In the first part of the question, it is given to calculate the current through each resistor. To calculate the current, apply Ohm's law. We have resistance and potential difference. So V is equal to IR. I is equal to V divided by R. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Very important relation. V is equal to IR. First, calculate the current through the first resistor. Current through R1. Current through R1. To calculate this, V is equal to IR. This is the triangle. This is V. This is I. This is R. Current through R1. Current I is equal to V divided by R. So current, you write it as, it is through the first resistor. I1 is equal to V divided by R1. Potential difference is given. It is 12 volt. Resistance of the first resistor, it is 5 ohm. 5. It is 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. Current is in amperes. Current through the first resistor R1. That is I1 is equal to 2.4 ampere. Now current through the second resistor. It is current through R2. Use the formula I2 is equal to V divided by R2. It is potential difference is V is 12 volt. R2 resistance of the second resistor is 10 ohm. It is 1.2 ampere. Now calculate the current through the third resistor. Current through the third resistor. The third resistor is R3. So I3 is equal to V divided by R3. The resistance, potential difference is 12 volt. The resistance of the third resistor, it is 30 ohm. 30 ohm. Divide. When you divide, you will get, it is 0. 3 4s are 34 times. It is 0.4 ampere. Current through the third resistor is 0.4 ampere. Here we completed part A. Now let us go to the part B. Part B is Total current in the circuit. Total current in the circuit. It is the sum of the current in each resistor. Total current in the circuit I is equal to current in the first resistor, current through the second resistor, current through the third resistor. It is equal to, in the first resistor 2.4 ampere, current through the second resistor is 1.2 ampere, current through the third resistor is 0.4 ampere. You add this, you will get 4 ampere. This is the current through the circuit in the full circuit. Now part C, that is the total circuit resistance. Total circuit resistance. The resistors are connected in parallel. So use the formula 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Substitute the values. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1, resistance of the first resistor, it is 5 ohm, plus 1 by R2, resistance of the second resistor, it is 10 ohm, plus 1 by R3, resistance of the third resistor, it is 30. 1 by Rp is equal to, find the LCM of 5, 10 and 30, it is 30. 5 6 are, so 1 6 are 6, plus 10 3s are 3, plus 3 1s 1. 1 by Rp is equal to, add the numerators, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 30, 10 1 time, 10 3 times 30. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 3. Now take the reciprocal. Rp is equal to 3 by 1 is equal to 3 ohm. The total circuit resistance is 3 ohm. Example 12.9. If in the figure 12.12, look at this figure, look at this circuit diagram 12.12. R1 of resistance 10 ohm, R2 of resistance 40 ohm, R3 of resistance 30 ohm, R4 of resistance 20 ohm, R5 of resistance 60 ohm, and a 12 volt battery. 12 volt battery is connected to the arrangement. Calculate the total resistance in the circuit. Total resistance of this circuit B. The total current flowing in the circuit. The total current flowing in this circuit. Look at the circuit diagram. R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. R3, R4, R5 are connected in parallel. First, find the equivalent resistance of R1 and R2. Then, find the equivalent resistance of R3, R4, R5. Then, you add the equivalent resistance of this arrangement and these resistors. You will get the total resistance. Let us write the solution. R1 is given, R1 is equal to 10 ohm, R2 it is equal to 40 ohm, R3 it is equal to 30 ohm, R4 is equal to 20 ohm, R5 is equal to 60 ohm. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 are connected to a 12 volt battery, right? Potential difference. Potential difference is represented by the letter V is equal to 12 volt. R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. So find the total resistance. Total resistance. To find the total resistance, we have to use the formula 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Substitute the values. 1 by R1. 1 by R1 is equal to 10 ohm. 1 by 10 plus R2. 1 by R2. R2 is 40 ohm. 1 by 40. Find the LCM of 10 and 40. It is 40. 10 4s are, so it is 4. Multiply by 4. 40 1s are 40. Multiply this 1 by 1. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 4s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. 1 by Rp is equal to 4 plus 1 5. 5 divided by 40. Simplify by table 5. 5 1s are 5 8s are 40. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 8. Rp is equal to the reciprocal of 1 by 8. It is 8 by 1 is equal to 8 ohm. The total resistance of R1 and R2 is equal to 8 ohm. Now find the total resistance of R3, R4, R5. R3, R4 and R5 are connected in parallel. Find the total resistance 1 by Rp. Here R1 and R2, write it as Rp1. R3, R4, R5, write it as 1 by Rp2 is equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Now substitute the values. 1 by Rp2 is equal to 1 by R3. R3 is equal to 30 ohm plus 1 by R4. R4 is 20 ohm plus 1 by R5. R5 is 60 ohm. 1 by 60. Now find the LCM of 30, 20 and 60. The LCM of 30, 20 and 60 is 60. So here 32s are 60. Multiply it by 2. 23s are 1 into 3. 61s are multiply this one by 1. Now write the product. Write here 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3 plus 1. 1 by Rp2 is equal to, add the numerator, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 divided by 60. Simplify, 6 1s are 6 10s are. So 1 by Rp2 is equal to 1 by 10. Rp2 is equal to reciprocal of 1 by 10. It is 10 by 1 is equal to 10 ohm. So Rp2 is equal to 10 ohm. Rp1 is equal to 8 ohm and Rp2 is equal to 10 ohm. Now find the total resistance in the circuit. Part A, total resistance in the circuit. Total resistance in the circuit, it is R. R is equal to Rp1 plus Rp2. Rp1 is 8 ohm plus Rp2 is 10 ohm. 10 plus 8 is 18 ohm. This is the total resistance in the circuit. B part, calculate the total current flowing in the circuit. Total current flowing in the circuit, I is equal to how much? Total current flowing in the circuit. Potential difference is given. It is equal to 12 volt. Total resistance is 18 ohm. R is equal to 18 ohm. I is equal to how much? Use Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, very important relation, V is equal to IR. The triangle V I R. To calculate I, use the formula I is equal to V divided by R. I is equal to V divided by R. Substitute the values. V is 12 volt divided by R is resistance. Simplify. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. I is equal to 2 by 3. Simplify. I is equal to 2 by 3. Divide 2 by 3. 0. Here it is 0. So decimal point 0. 3 6 are 18. 10 minus 8 is 2, again 0, 3 6 are 18, again 3 6 are 18. It is equal to 0.67. Estimate to the second decimal place. It is equal to 0.67 ampere. Thank you, students.